Yeah, ma. So, good evening and welcome to RT classes CA and CMA Guru. So, today our video session is regarding cost accounting point of view under CMA Inter. So, what are the important areas and which of the chapters we need to focus? Chapter point of view, majorly from where the examination point of view they are focusing well. These are all parts now we are going to discuss in detail. So I think so after listening this particular session, I am expecting so many students are going to get more than 60 in cost accounting point of view. And so many people while they are reading with cost accounting regarding examination point of view, they have so much fear. Sir, once you listen this particular video, this entire fear will goes, and where you need to focus and where the ICA is expecting more theoretical knowledge, more problematic knowledge, and which of the areas we need to focus. All these things in detail we are going to discuss under this particular session point of view. Let's see, sir, if you check with once again scanner point of view. So almost I already in my previous video also I communicated maximum we need to follow our study material. That is a major important under a CMA Inter point of view. So let's see the weightage. If you check with my section A, so introduction to cost accounting, there if you check with our study material, they are dividing under modules. Nana introduction to cost accounting and cost sheet they are considering as one module, and elements of cost under one module, cost accounting standards under one module, and cost of bookkeeping under one module, methods of costing under one module, and if you check with our techniques of costing is covered under one module itself. But the weightage what they presented in the scanner 100% correct, sir. So introduction to cost accounting, and nowadays we are expecting around 5 to 13 marks range, Nana. How many marks we are supposed to expect from introduction to cost accounting? 5 to 13 marks range, because now they added here cost sheet also. That's the reason introduction to cost accounting you are reading means definitely you need to focus on cost sheet as well as. Sir, so many people cost accounting means they feel that without having theoretical knowledge, they want to start solving the problems. Simply they are mugging up their concepts, sir. Just reading the formulas and just solving the questions like that. No, sir, don't do like that. My sincere advice, if you are asking RT sir advice, definitely my advice is whichever the chapter you are doing, first go through with the theory. That is very, very, very important. Then you are able to understand the problematic part. Comfortably you are able to solve the problematic part as well as. So introduction to cost accounting, there is an average 5 to 13 marks you can expect, sir. That is what I can show you even in scanner point of view also. So even I will check with the previous examination, 2 examination question papers in today our session point of view. See, sir, part A as an average covering of 8 marks, and part B that is nothing but cost sheet 5 marks. That's the reason I said 5 to 13 marks range you can expect from our introduction to cost accounting as well as preparation of cost sheet also. Sir, introduction to cost accounting, if you ask which of the major theory questions you are supposed to focus means, for that also I will give you detailed analysis. First I will give you chapter to chapter basis what is the weightage, module to module basis. Later on each module point of view which of the areas you are supposed to focus also I will indicate you. Okay, sir. So the first module for us is introduction to cost accounting as well as preparation of cost sheet. Combiningly it will cover 5 to 13 marks itself. Okay, sir. Second, sir, material cost, employee costing, direct expenses and overheads. If you check with the weightage is here, if you observe the part, what they are indicating, sir? How much marks they are expecting? 15% from material. Yeah, material plus labor plus overheads Even direct expenses also in the recent term they added. Combiningly all the 4 chapters clubbed together, you are expecting how much percentage, sir? 15%. Maybe in the final examination the percentage may be little higher. Why also I will communicate you right now. So let's see, sir. If you check with the materials as an average, they are concentrating 9.5 marks, sir. And employee costing 5 marks range, and direct expenses and overheads combiningly 11 marks. If you check with these parts as an average, how much it is consisting, sir? 25 marks range it is as an average coverage part. That's the reason I said before only, it is looking like 15 marks weightage, but in the examination point of view, at the average percentage, if you consider, they are going a little higher than the percentage what they are indicating in study materials point of view. So especially overheads chapter point of view, compulsory every attempt they are touching with the 7 marks question, no doubt about it. Overhead chapter compulsory they are concentrating 7 marks question, and I will indicate you which is the first model you need to concentrate under overhead chapter point of view also. Next, sir, second priority go with material costing, and I think so many students love to do material costing chapter because the major part is running between the formulas point of view. If you are thorough with the formulas, you can expect MCQ question as well as EOQ based question, like that they are concentrating on those areas. So if you categorized me among materials, employee costing and overheads, first I will consider A category is overhead chapter, and A plus category is overhead chapter, then A category is material cost, then B category I will consider employee costing itself. Which of the questions also you are supposed to focus? Once again, by showing the study material, which of the questions you are supposed to concentrate also I will indicate. Okay, sir. So first you done with the first chapter, second chapter you need to focus like this. Next, sir, cost accounting standards. Give it less importance in related to CMA Inter level, but I am not saying that leave completely that particular part. I shared with my students point of view, the cost accounting standards point of view, 6 to 8 pages, some theory part already I shared with you PDF. If anyone don't have, just ping me personally, whatever the particular number scrolling on the particular screen, just try to ping me. I will try to share with you that particular PDF with you as well as. So one MCQ compulsory, sir. Without seeing one MCQ from cost accounting standard, there is no costing question paper, and you can expect 5 marks range theory question also from cost accounting standard. Anyway, choice is there, but if you don't want to miss the MCQs, because in costing if you want to score more than 60s plus, definitely you need to rock in your MCQs, sir. And if you are RT student, regarding MCQs wise, you don't worry. So if you attended my sessions completely, if you listen my costing classes, getting out of at least 20 out of particular 30 marks, very easy to score in MCQ level itself. Next, sir, cost bookkeeping itself. This is nothing but in our simple language point of view, integrated accounting system and non-integrated accounting system. If you observe here, sir, cost of bookkeeping also, 1 7 marks question they are touching, as well as 1 MCQ they are touching under cost bookkeeping point of view. 1 compulsory 7 marks question. Which question also I will discuss with you. Don't worry. See the particular video aram se, and with patience till the last second you come to know the entire clarity what you need to focus on your cost accounting point of view. So if you observe here, so average here also 7 marks. That's why I said you. So 1 MCQ question, 5 marks theory, 1 question, totally as an average 7 marks. As like that, if you go with cost bookkeeping also, 1 problematic question, 1 MCQ they are focusing from cost bookkeeping itself. Which is the area you are supposed to focus more also, I will explain in detail. Please, sir, wait with patience. Next, sir, if you come with methods of costing, yeah, like job costing and batch costing, contract costing, process costing, operating costing. If you ask me, sir, which one you will give priority, high range of priority, first I will go with A plus with contract costing, Nana. Second priority I will go with operating costing, and then I will consider process also A category question only. And job costing point of view, in the recent scenario, they are not stressing that much, sir. That's the reason I may be considered it is a B category. Sir, compulsory 7 plus 7 plus 7 you are going to see from these three chapters, plus at least 3 MCQs you are going to see, minimum 3 MCQs you are going to see, because the weightage is 30 marks, Nana, regarding methods of costing. Sir, this is the major area student need to focus. Yeah, because you can get scoring also very comfortably. Contract costing A plus category, operating costing also A category, process costing also A category. But without contract costing and operating costing, you are not going to see any of the costing paper once again in the examination. Next, finally, if you come with the techniques, sir, and this is the very important, sir. Why that many varies? Because who are doing with both the groups, management, accounting, there also I convey this particular point. Even my sessions also, wherever I am discussing my management accounting classes, I always try to convey these three chapters. If you handle very well, you are almost all handling good with management accounting also. In soon, definitely I will try to share management accounting point of view also, which of the areas you try to focus. So there, if you observe, sir, marginal costing I am expecting 15 marks range, sir, and standard costing 7 marks, sir. Budgetary control, there is a chance of 7 to 10 marks, sir. This is the average expectation from these three chapters, because these three chapters once again consists of 30 marks here, majorly from marginal costing, sir. Group 1 marginal costing was so easy. If you are thorough with the formulas, you can solve the particular problems very comfortably. So whatever the material I given to you in the classroom regarding marginal costing, just go through with that material, just prepare theory from that, just go through with the material what is given by RT sir. That is more than enough to handle with marginal costing to secure 15 marks. As well as standard costing, sir, I know who listened the live sessions, they know how much easy standard costing. Maybe outside people who didn't listen classes with RT sir regarding standard costing, they maybe feel little difficulty while you are solving standard costing, but who listened with me, they know the comfort, because repeatedly we are rotating between the formulas, and some situations students not allowed to me to complete the problem as well. As that much comfort you will feel whenever you are taking a quality lecture. Yes, sir. Next, budgetary control point of view, already I told you 7 to 10 marks, sir. Here also they are indicating the same thing as an average point of view. That's the reason focus like this. This is the average basis what they presented in the scenario. Sir, same point, sir. Once again I am writing roughly the indication of those things. See the, sir. First, A plus categories I am indicating, sir. First read introduction to cost accounting. Sir, less marks only, but still read theory. Second, sir, overheads. Next, sir, contract costing. Next, sir, contract costing. Next, sir, operating costing. Next, sir, operating costing. Next, Nana, marginal costing. Next, sir, budgetary control. Then standard costing. as an average among these chapters you are going to secure minimum 45 to 52 marks you are going to secure, whether it is a direct question or whether it is an MCQ, whatever it may be. Okay, sir. Next, if you focus A category of things, cost bookkeeping, and the next process costing, next materials. So remaining chapters you can consider it is a B category itself. Like that, as an average you can expect from here 25 marks range itself. If you are focusing on this, sir, 60 plus is very much assured with a comfortable manner. 60 plus assured with a comfortable manner itself. Got it, sir? And MCQs already I told you. And concentrate on study materials, as well as I will share with you one PDF regarding MCQs. Who required that particular PDF, just ping me personally, sir. I will share with those people the MCQ part as well as. So focus on this particular area more than enough. If you go with individually, sir, I want a more detailed analysis regarding the part of what we can say in related to the particular parts of in detail analysis regarding each chapter point of view, which of the areas I need to focus individually, sir, individually, like topic to topic, chapter to chapter, topic to topic. Let's see, I'm going to give you a detailed analysis in related to that also from your just simply just a minute, Nana. See, sir. Now I am giving you a detailed analysis which of the topics or which of the areas you are supposed to focus more. Regarding theory also I am indicating, Nana, here. Let's focus. First part you need to concentrate is objectives of cost accounting theoretically. Which is the question theoretically you need to focus, Nana. Objectives of cost accounting, first theory question you need to focus. Next, write a short notes on cost accounting system. That is nothing but there are 6 types of cost accounting system: historical, absorption, direct, standard, uniform costing. And another most important question: what are the essentials of a cost accounting system? Sir, whatever the PDF I share with you, these are all questions I given in a simplified and easy to remember that particular theory. In that level I prepared and I given it to you. Just go through with that particular PDF only what is I shared with you. If any of the guys, if you don't have, just ping me personally. I will share with you the theory PDF as well as. That is essentials of cost accounting system. Next, sir, you need to focus financial accounting versus cost accounting differences. Next theory question you are supposed to focus cost accounting versus financial accounting itself. Next theory question you are supposed to focus some important terms, Nana. Some important terms like out of pocket cost, economic cost, imputed cost. Yeah, these kind of some important concepts try to focus. Next, focus on cost center concept as well as responsibility center. If you are writing both the groups, you can check with management accounting. There I given a detailed discussion from our study material only. So you can check with responsibility center. Even in management accounting study material booklet point of view, I indicated to the student from which area to which area only they are supposed to read. And the same way time, overheads point of view, this theory question was very important. Cost allocation versus cost apportionment itself. and even just go through with illustration 1 from the study material point of view. How to divide the variable cost like that. Next, sir, preparation of cost sheet, majorly important for problematic wise. So there focus on which of the questions means I will indicate you. Illustration number 5, Nana, focus on that. Illustration number 5. Illustration number 9. Illustration number 10. Illustration number 12. Sorry, 11. Very important question. These are the questions. Sir, my sincere advice, not only focusing on this particular part, sir, even need to focus on some another questions also, but if your time is very limited, restricted, first concentrate on these particular questions under cost sheet point of view. Then if you go for materials chapter, Nana, so there you need to first focus on the theory part, and already you have material with you. Just go through with that particular theory, that is more than enough. So if you go with the problematic part, and already I indicated you which of the theory questions you are supposed to focus. First part you are supposed to concentrate on your economic order quantity question, because it is important even for problematic point of view also. Next, sir, perpetual inventory versus continuous stock taking differences. Next, sir, if you want to go with the bin card versus stores ledger, that is also very important theory question. Next, if you come for scrap, waste, spoilage, defectives, so concentrate on these 4 theory questions also. So in the examination point of view, at least they are touching any one question among that, definitely. And you need to go through with levels, inventory levels regarding maximum level, minimum level, reorder level, average level, danger level. These are all formulas. Just go through it. Sometimes 5 marks question you can expect from directly from the formulas, or if they want to go with MCQs wise also, that formulas are important. Even EOQ based concept also, examination point of view important, either the problematic part or the MCQ point of view, sir. And even if time permits you, just read just in time as well as, sir, whatever the theories I am discussing with you right now, whatever the material I provided to you, just go through with that particular material enough. Same way, in addition to that, read ABC analysis as well as also. And once you done with these theory questions, now we'll go with problematic part, Nana. What is that means? Let's focus on these kind of questions. They may be rise in MCQs, but which of the questions you need to focus? This is illustration number 5, 5 marks range question, ma. Illustration number 3, 5 marks range question. This is also an MCQ question. Illustration number 4, as well as if you go with very rare cases, you are going to see questions from FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, simple average, replacement method, standard cost method. Like this, very rare situations you are going to see that particular questions in the examination point of view. And if you want to focus more beyond that particular level, means just concentrate on so already I told you, inventory level, do one problem, as well as whether need to accept the order or reject the order. In case if you do the justification with EOQ, that means if I place order based on EOQ, can I place the order or can I go with the discount percentage? Decision making problems. Or if I place at EOQ, how much cost savings is we are doing? These kind of model problems also they are concentrating more on the examination perception. That's the reason do question number 13 and question number 15 model, as well as And next, question number 16, consider it is a very important question, because normally economic order quantity, if you want to calculate, you may be focused on the only just two comparisons point of view, but this is what we can call it as tabular method itself. Under the tabular method, how to solve the problem, already in detail I will discuss. So, and if any of the students required any clarification regarding any particular individual problems, if I get more messages in related to that, definitely I am going to release one particular video based on some important concepts. Yes, sir. And even concentrate on illustration number 17 as well as, sir. Yeah. And even illustration number 19. Let's focus these areas much, sir. And if your time permits, go with the remaining part. Even in employee costing also, just focus and stick with yourself. Timekeeping, time booking, ideal time, overtime, and labor turnover. These are the major theory areas you are supposed to focus. These are the major theory areas you are supposed to focus. Got it, ma? Okay. So next, sir, under this particular one, which of the questions I need to focus? My sincere advice, do first problems based on labor turnover. My sincere advice is do problems based on labor turnover. Later on, go for the formula based, majorly in employee costing, they are concentrating on one particular model, that is Halsey and Rowan itself. This is the area they are repeatedly asking in the examination, and I will tell you the problems in related to that, which is the area you need to focus. And I told you first to do labor turnover problems, and especially these problems are the most wanted question in CMA Inter level, illustration number 23. And as well as, sir, if you go with some another problematic questions like which is covering of all the particular things, sir, try to read all other theory particular things as well as formulas from employee cost. How much theory is important in material costing, same level of importance you are supposed to give under employee costing also. So there, try to do one problem at least from based on different Taylor, so Merrick, Gentuck, Emerson's efficiency, like that each particular formula point of view, try to solve one particular problem at least. And later on, wherever you are seeing Rowan and Halsey based problem, try to solve all the problems if your time permits, or otherwise try to focus on which of the particular contents now I am giving it to you. Just focus on those questions. Sir, I am not saying that only focus on those questions only and employee costing. These questions you must and should do. Later on, if time permits, go with the other questions. Illustration number 29, sir. Illustration number 31, sir. And this is not this is this is if you go with 5 marks range question, and you can focus on this question as well as illustration number 36, important question, as well as illustration number 37, Nana, and illustration number 38, mark, give 5-star rating for this particular question. And next, even question number 39 as well as very important question, and this is MCQ based question, Nana, illustration number 40, and illustration number 41, and if time permits, do illustration number 42 as well as, and this is the high rated question under employee costing, illustration number 43. These are the areas focus more in employee costing. And if later on, just go through with these particular questions, illustration 44 and 45. Before solving those particular things, just focus on your theory part, sir. Because if you want to solve these kind of small questions, at the calculation of employee cost point of view, what to be included, what not to be included, you have a just one page theory in your study material point of view. Just focus on that particular area. Later on, solve these particular problems. You are able to comfortably do that particular things. Next, already I told you regarding overheads point of view, read under or over absorption, its accounting treatment. Very important theory question. As well as allocation versus apportionment, that is also an important theory question, sir. Once you're done with those two theory questions, majorly you can focus on, this is what I am indicating, allocation versus apportionment, theoretically very important part. And then you can focus on this particular model problems. Illustration number 49. There, it's not a complete problem, but I will show you the complete problem. 1 second, guys. See, illustration number 53. Only two models, let's focus. One is primary and secondary distribution. Once you're done with the problems, do one problem based on all the methods. If they don't specify, try to do under simultaneous equation method point of view. Try to simultaneous equation or simulation equation, but try to use it as simultaneous equation method. First give priority to that, and then second part, under or over absorption, its accounting treatment. Majorly they are concentrating on this part, especially this area. 99% they are asking in the examination. This maybe you can see in MCQ. Sometimes if you are good, if they are not asking this one only one time out of 10 attempts, then you can see 7 marks question from under or over absorption, or otherwise 99% you are going to see under primary and secondary distribution point of view. For that full packaged question I will show you right now. Just compulsory solve that particular problem. Illustration number 55. Do it under repeated distribution method as well as simultaneous equation method. Both the methods try to solve this particular problem. Very important, high rated important problem. Yes sir, this is the area you are supposed to focus under overhead chapter point of view. Third importance give to machine hour rate. My expectation for this attempt, MCQ wise, compulsory you are going to see one MCQ from machine hour rate. You are going to see one MCQ compulsory from machine hour rate computation point of view. Give a B category item. A plus is primary and secondary distribution. A category is under or over absorption and its accounting treatment. Third one, machine hour rate calculation under MCQ point of view. Okay sir, this is the area you are supposed to focus under overheads point of view. Next sir, even one more sir, I just want to convey this question. Illustration number 68 also consider an important question. Yeah, illustration number 68 from your study material. Under overheads do that particular problem also, important question. Next sir. Sir, already I told you MCQs means compulsory read from your study material, as well as I will share with you one PDF regarding MCQs. Go through with those MCQs as well as. And cost accounting standard, already I told you, if you want any information of PDF, just try to remember the title name and standard number. From this compulsory one MCQ is yours. That means 2 marks is yours, fix. So one 5 marks theory question from anywhere they can ask you. Further, don't worry, just follow the 6 or 8 pages what is given in my PDF. Just read that content, more than enough for those 5 marks as well as. Next, our next chapter is cost bookkeeping point. Simply first focus A plus category is reconciliation statement. First give importance to that. This is high range of 7 marks question. They are focusing more in the examination. Second, A category sir, under non-integrated point of view, ledger accounts preparation. That is the second category. Maximum these 2 questions only they are rotating under cost bookkeeping point of view, and you can expect 1 or 2 MCQs from this particular chapter. Either they are asking you journal entries under integrated accounting system also, what to be debited, what to be not debited, or what to be credited, exactly what is the wrong in related to that area they may be focused regarding MCQs. Sir, already in my notes I given all the journal entries in related to integrated accounting system as well as non-integrated accounting system. Before starting this particular chapter, sir, compulsory focus on those journal entries. Read those journal entries. No need to by heart. Already I explain you in detailed manner what is the logic behind that, why you are replacing cash and other personal accounts with general ledger adjustment accounting or cost ledger, why we are replacing. I already explained you in detail. Before solving this particular ledger accounts, compulsory go through with these journal entries. Sir, without journal entries reading, please don't start ledger accounts preparation, or otherwise mechanically you will post. Try to learn conceptually. If you do 2 problems also, more than enough under non-integrated accounting system after learning the journal entries. Under reconciliation statement, very important. I am expecting this attempt also, reconciliation statement, major chance is there. So there is a chance of asking ledger accounts also, because anyway you are learning journal entries. That's the reason I said you go through with journal entries also comfortably. Especially under reconciliation point of view. Under non-integrated you have question number 1, sir. Go through with that particular illustration number 2 comfortably, more than enough. These kind of journal entries, they may be asked you even in MCQ level as well as. That's the reason I said. Question number 2, do nana. Under reconciliation, try to focus on question number 5 as well as do memorandum reconciliation account also. This may be asked for 5 marks range question. And illustration number 9, nana. Yeah. These are the areas. Let's focus more. Reconciliation, if possible, whatever the material given to you, just try to solve all the problems from reconciliation statement. Once after done with that, go with non-integrated accounting system. So under job costing, sir, very less chances to ask in the examination. If they want to ask you, focus on illustration number 1 as well as illustration number 1 and 5, same model, Anna. Illustration number 6 as well as. And this entire chapter is rotating between 2 note points. What are the note points, sir? One is your factory overheads are charged as a percentage on direct wages. Second one, sir, your administrative overheads and selling overheads are charged as a percentage on works cost. If you are aware of these 2 note points, more than enough to solve the particular things. So that is the area you need to focus. Under batch costing, sir, do question number 9 as well as question number 10. Give most important to question number 10 and question number 9 itself. So contract costing, then come to the particular part. Especially focus on illustration number 13, illustration number 14, illustration number 16, even 17 as well as 20th illustration, make it as a star mark, important question. And this is also 2-star rated question where I am giving star marks, compulsory solve those questions. And even this is the most wanted problem in the examination part, illustration number 23. And even go with process costing, especially concentrate on equivalent units concept, more focus on that, because we can expect 7 marks range question from that. Okay, that is the reason I just don't want to communicate any specific problem under that, but I will indicate you one compulsory question you are supposed to do, that is wait, I will indicate. Just check with inter process account as well as yeah, this is the question mark you need to focus in the normal process account point of view. Illustration number 30. Yeah, and do one question equivalent units point of view, at least one question under first in first out weighted average method. Do at least one question from those two methods point of view, and compulsory do this question. That is what I am indicating you. 1 minute. No? Yeah, illustration number 37. They may be ask you this range of questions from first in first out or weighted average method. Any method they may be raised. Illustration number 37. Okay. Next, joint products, byproducts also there is a chance, sir. Especially focus on this part. Illustration number 42. That is reverse cost method, RCM. Focus on reverse cost method. On that first do all the problems. Once you done with reverse cost method problems under illustration number 42, illustration number 43, and if possible try to solve. And another important concept was illustration number 45, sir. Joint cost splitting by using NRV method. Solve those problems also under joint costing point of view. I am indicating illustration numbers also. Illustration number 45, illustration number 46, illustration number 47. Mark it as these three questions as highly important. After reverse cost method, solve these method questions. Okay. Then, sir, operating point of view, just focus on first do hotel problem, second do hospital problem, third do relating to transport point of view, like tons point of view, fourth give priority to passenger kilometers basis concepts. Yeah, focus on these three parts majorly. Okay, you know which of the particular sums belonging to hospital, hotel. Yeah, that is the area you need to focus more, especially hotel problem concentrate well on. That's the reason I am not indicating any questions. Already I indicated you so many times in the examination point of view. This is important, this is important, while I am discussing that particular questions in the classroom point of view. And next, sir, let's go with the next contents. Cost accounting techniques. Simply, whatever RTs are given in his study material, first read all the formulas and solve, and already indicated in my material to what extent you are supposed to solve. I think so, if I am not wrong, 14 to 15 questions what I given in the study material. Solve all those things. Who are doing both the groups? If time permits, I think so, if I am not wrong, 34 to 38 questions we solved regarding marginal costing, combiningly group 1 and group 2 point of. If time permits you, first solve compulsory 14 or 15 questions. What is starting I given to you. Later on, if time permits you, even so decision making related problems like key factor analysis point of view, they are focusing even in group 2 point of view. But if time permits, my highly recommendation, do all the problems what is given in my marginal costing. Next, sir, whenever you are doing standard costing questions, solve all the 17 questions what I given in the study material. So especially who are preparing for group 1, Anna, first do employee variances, then do material variances. 95% you can expect from employee labor variances only you can see in the examination, especially their skilled, unskilled, semi-skilled basis. We have 2 to 3 questions with us. So we solved in detailed manner. Just go through with those questions. Budgetary control, sir, especially focus on production budget then focus on flexible budget. First priority give to flexible budget, then give priority to production budget itself. This is the areas you are supposed to focus ma. Still regarding any particular student facing any particular question point of view, more difficulty, just try to ping me. If I get more messages regarding any one particular question, definitely I will try to release one particular video based on most difficulty questions from students point of view. Yes sir, if you follow these strategies, what RT sir said, follow that. 60 plus is a cakewalk for your cost accounting point of view. Got it, Sma? So just try to, so not only this is beneficiary for the people who are taking classes with me, and reminding all other people also who are facing a little struggle with cost accounting. These are all people also need to be benefited if they know the weightages very well. Accordingly they will plan the things and they will start their preparation part. Very less number of days only available with us. That is the reason just I am indicating with you, I am spending my time with you and communicating with you from time to time what is the weightage, which of the areas to focus. Here I given even in detail analysis which question to do, which question you can kept aside while you are solving the particular problematic part. Yes sir, so try to share to the extent possible with all your friends, because everybody need to be benefited at the end of the day. Because whether you are taking classes with me or not, all are my students only. So all the people need to be benefited. At the end of the day, my intention is cost accounting is an easy subject. Student need to feel that getting exemptions because of that particular things, they need to clear their CMA Inter as well as. All the best guys and have a nice day. Take care. RT sir.